Alright. It's Lorenzo eating a hot pepper.
Yes, sir.
A ghost pepper. Here we go. Chew it up. Mmm. That's not bad. Go ahead. Finish that thing off. Eat the rest of that. Notice the beading sweat on his forehead.
Got a documentary here. Go ahead.
Not bad, is it? Take a big bite.
He's not just spitting it out.
Look at his head.
He's eating it.
His eyes are awfully red.
Unfortunately, I don't know if the camera's getting all these facial expressions because of the light.
I got a piece up here, my tongue up there.
You gonna vomit? What's going on here?
I got a piece of meat up there, a piece of skin.
Eat the rest of that.
Can we get
Come on.
milk?
Wait,
You said you were a man, right?
wait. I did eat half of it.
Hey, come on, get the rest. Get the rest.
Come on. You said you were a man, right?
Get it now.
Look at that head. Look at all the sweat on top of his head. You gonna eat the rest of it? Don't be scary.
Gotta get there. I spit.
What else is new?
Pick those seeds up. Don't get it. Oh.
You licking the seeds?
He's licking his tongue. He's drooling.
I drooled it. I did.
Was it worth it? There's a water fountain right there.
Doesn't give out fast enough.
Oh, and the RN upstairs said that water makes it worse. He said it just swishes the oil around.
Okay.
Feel some more water?
Tom burning.
Oh, look at the sweat just pouring down your nose.